Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Its colors name: red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, white color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. It's first draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color. The alphabets of A. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now you draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now you draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color. F. F for fish, F for fan. And again use yellow color. Kids, now you draw G. G for guard, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, now you draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use black color. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And again use black color. Kids, now you draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use white color. Kids, again use white color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids, now you draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use blue color. O for orange, O for octopus. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. And again use blue color. Kids write a Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use green color. Green color. S for sun. T. T for teacher. The alphabets of T. T for teacher, T for tiger. And again use green color. Kids now U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids now draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And use blue color. Blue color. Y for yak. Kids again use blue color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow color. Yellow color. O N E 1. The numbers of 1. Kids again use yellow color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T W or 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use green color. Green color. T H R W 3. Kids again use green color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U are 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use green color. Green color. The numbers of 5. Sorry kids, black color. The numbers of 5. And use black color. F I V E 5. Kids again use black color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids, now it is 7. The numbers of 7 and use red color. Red color. S E V E and 7. The numbers of 7. Kids, again use red color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. It's 9. The numbers of 9 and use blue color. Blue color. N I N E 9. The numbers of 9. Kids, again use blue color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids, today you draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for x-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.